Do you want to remove or add controls in Control Center on iPhone with the new updates? Let me walk you through it. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead and open up my Control Center, right? And then basically I can click the plus button at the top, at the top left, all right? The plus button right here. And then basically what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna be able to, add or delete any other, option. Let's say for example, I want to add the control, right? I can add a stopwatch, voice memo, alarm, text size, screen recording, whatever it might be, or any other social media app. Let's say for example, Instagram. I'm gonna add Instagram right here. And if I wanted to delete the calculator, I'm gonna just delete the calculator right here, or the timer, right? And I'm gonna just go ahead and delete it, and then basically that's it, all right? And then now this is your new settings. So let's know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching, and we will definitely see you in the next one.